The problem with that scenario is that you cannot discriminate based upon the fact that a unit is rented. Actually, an owner owns the unit and is transferring the rights that they obtained with that unit to a tenant under a written lease. If you try to impose a regulation that would restrict what that owner could transfer to the tenant, you're basically depriving any owner of the same rights as any other owner based simply on the fact that they happen to be renting their unit. In the state of Michigan, at least, that would be construed as impermissible discrimination, and I presume that you would probably have that same type of problem in any other state.